Would you like to see a 5 minutes miracle? Okay, good. We need a subject.
This one.
Yeah. Sorry. What? You want to be a volunteer? Do you mind being in the camera? I don't know about your condition. Do you mind telling us your condition?
Yeah, I've got a bulging disc and spondylosis as well.
Bulging disc and spondylolisthesis, okay, which is the slippage of the vertebrae. Okay. What activities do you have trouble?
Pretty much I'm getting pain on everything now.
Everything. So sitting, walking, sleeping.
Sleeping, yeah, I wake up.
Yep.
I don't get much sleep.
Okay. So do you have trouble bending? Back, forward, backwards?
Yeah.
Okay. And turning? Not sure? Not sure? Do you mind being in the camera?
I don't know.
Don't mind? Sorry, what's your name?
Lisa.
Lisa. Can we put our hands together for Lisa? Thank you for coming. Sorry, thank you for volunteering. And just a disclaimer, we've been doing the workshop for 24 times, and 90% of the time we get significant improvement within 5 minutes. Okay. How long have you had back pain for?
Years,
How many years?
like at least 8, 9 that I know of.
8, 9 years?
Yeah.
Okay. So if we can make significant change within 5 minutes, would you say that's pretty miraculous?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they've got me at surgery stage now.
Surgery, okay. And have you had any treatment before?
Yes, I've had steroid injections,
Steroid injection, physio.
acupuncture,
Yep.
what else? Drugs, obviously.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So just about, yeah, like everyone here is similar. Okay. So just wanted to make a disclaimer. It's quite, although it's quite miraculous, and it feels good when we get a significant change within 5 minutes. If we don't get 5 minutes immediate improvement in 5 minutes, that doesn't mean that you are hopeless. Okay.
Yeah.
It just means we need more time to go through more detailed assessment to find out the underlying cause. Okay, so don't put too much pressure on Lisa. Okay. All right. So what I would do is I just need to put my hands on you, and I need to do a couple of assessment first. All right. So if I get you to maybe stand facing that way, and I just want you to bend forward and stop as soon as you feel any tightness or discomfort. Okay. About there in the back, isn't it? Okay, just let your arms hang down. So it's about there. Okay, so stand up straight. So that's about just right at the bottom of your knee.
Yeah.
We might need you to be the judge. Yeah, so you are in the best sitting. Okay, or maybe, yeah. And I'll get you to bend backwards. There already.
It doesn't go very
It doesn't like it, isn't it? Okay. Now I'm just going to put my hands. Okay. I'm going to feel with my hand from your head to your toes. A normal muscle or joint should feel soft, no pain. Okay, so soft like that. If it hurts, then and feels tight, that's not normal. Okay. You're going to tell me the most tight or the most painful spot that I touched. Okay. By the way, this is the procedure that we go through. It's a standard procedure, part of our standard procedure. We wanted to feel the whole body, because a lot of the time the actual cause is not in the back. It could be somewhere else, anywhere in the body. That's why we need to go through a thorough assessment like this. Okay. Ooh, quite tender there. Oh, it's really tender there. Yep. Okay. If I keep going down. Okay, that's quite tender there. Oh. You're happy? Okay, keep going. You got you got really tight calf muscle. Ooh, there. Yep. And quite tight there as well. So which one hurts the most? The shoulder or the calf?
I actually think
Or the hip?
I actually think, yeah,
That one hurts the most.
Yeah.
That one hurts the most.
Yeah,
Okay.
that one.
All right. Good. So where do you normally feel the discomfort, the pain?
I feel it mostly through this area.
In that area.
Through the middle of my back.
Okay.
And then I get a burning sensation in my feet.
Burning sensation in the feet. Okay. And you said you got a bulging disc and spondylolisthesis. Okay.
So basically the MRI showed that I got like that.
Just show people. Maybe we take one step back. So what's your name? Evelyn. Judge Evelyn can get the best view. Okay, just show Judge Evelyn how much we can bend. About there starts hurting. Okay. And backwards. Not much?
No.
Okay. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to treat the previously painful spot. Okay. And at the same time, you're going to do the same, do the movement forward or backwards. Okay. If we hit a really good spot, you'll find all of a sudden the movement improve quite significantly. Okay. Oh, is that better, Judge Evelyn? Yeah. Okay, one more time. Yeah. Feels better. What about bending backwards?
I'm stopping there.
Okay. Just let me find the spot again. Okay, bend back. Actually, better. Yeah. Okay, one more time. Bend. Thank you. Okay, just try bending backwards again yourself without me.
Yeah, it's better.
Better.
Yeah.
Of course. Is that miraculous enough?